With the Nothing Mode 3, you can create your own ringtone animations for the brand new Glyph Matrix display. You can adjust things like contrast and others to make it look just how you want. It only takes a couple of minutes to set up, so let me show you. First up, go to better-nothing-glyph-composer.pages.dev/NP3. I'll have the full link in the description. Now it's time to upload your audio or video. First out, I'll show you how to do it with video and then with audio. So go ahead and upload your video. Now that you've uploaded it, you need to crop your animation to fit inside the circle. So adjust the circle radius and the position of the circle to make sure that the animation is inside the circle. You'll begin processing your video, and once it's done, you'll get on this page. You can now preview your animation of how it looks now. And if you want to change something, which you probably want to do, then you're going to hit this gear icon. Here you can change the brightness and the contrast and gamma. I wouldn't recommend changing the other settings. You can do if you want to, but personally I haven't found them that useful. What you should have now is a pretty good looking Glyph Matrix video. If you want to customize it further, you can draw on it on each individual frame by using this drawing tool. Congratulations, you've now created your very own Glyph Matrix animation with your own custom video. Click on the download icon and you now have your file. But what if you have audio instead of video? Don't worry, you can still create super cool animations that visualize your audio. Go to the page that I mentioned earlier and then upload your audio. From here, you can choose between 4 presets to visualize your audio. Beat Monitor, which shows you the waveforms of the audio, and the pulse, which also shows the video in a pulse down. A live thing, which is heavily inspired by one of the Glyph toys that Nothing previewed earlier. And lastly, Spinny, which is kind of like a fidget spinner, but it expands to show your music. When you've chosen which one you want, simply click the download icon to download your file. Alright, so you now got your Glyph ringtone animation. You're going to want to transfer it over to your phone. Once you've done this, go to Settings, Glyph Interface, Ringtones, and then set the mode to Classic. Here you can choose between setting the ringtone for all contacts or to specific contact. To set it to all contacts, simply click the For All Contacts ringtone to change it. To set it to a specific contact, click Add Contact in the button and choose your contact. No matter which option you've chosen, you should now be on this page, where you should choose My Sounds and click Add New Sounds. Then you should choose your animation in your file manager. Next, select the new ringtone, and there you go. You've now uploaded it to your phone. You can turn your phone over to preview the animation on the back to see exactly how it looks when it's activated. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a like, and if you want to see more than nothing content in the future, subscribe. Thanks for watching.